Hi, my name is Paramji, and I've got 18 years of corporate experience working with all top tier company. And currently, I am engaged with a MNC which has a base office in London. In fact, I'm very grateful that I chosen to be a part of this platform because the learning was so much here. So when I was in my previous job where I have spent almost 5 years, I was completely into my comfort zone. I was not able to get out of it. But once I gone through this LEP program, it has really refueled my energy, and the kind of push which I had, it has really given me a different meaning of life. Despite having a lot of potential, I was not able to explore the opportunity which I was getting on my way. So I gone through LEP program, then 100 billion program, and there is a real transformation not only in a personal life but in a professional growth also. So when before joining this program, I was into the middle senior management program, and after taking this LEP and other program, I there was a completely jump in my professional career to top leadership program. So I really wanted to be grateful to Rajesh and entire team for creating such a wonderful community, and the learning which I had and the growth patterns which I have. So I would definitely be part of the upcoming program. My B hack for the next 3 months, which I have decided that I wanted to have a minimum 50% incremental growth in the existing professional setup which I am there. So that is one thing. And long term, if you say so, very soon I wanted, maybe over a period of time, maybe 1 year, I wanted to count myself under 1 crore BM club which is there. Because the principles are so simple and applicable, and this, even you don't have to literally get into the meaning of this. So these are easy to apply and very much relatable with your personal and professional journeys. Yeah, of course, 100%. More than that, I can say. So till today, whatever I have earned, so all credit goes to Rajesh and team. Yeah, I would definitely. In fact, there are a couple of people I have already spoke, because we all have a lot of potential. So only thing is that we are not able to channelize this potential in the different way. So I strongly believe that if such platform which are being given to female like me, who have already adjusted themselves into the mediocre roles, so they can definitely carve their niche, and they can always go to the next ladder of the success. I think more than 100%. A lot of clarity is there. So I have a complete role, means the understanding and the direction on which I have to, move on. So this all I have learned through Rajesh program only.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.